orientation, like Horizon.
Okay.
You check all of the account before you go. It was perfect. Why did you touch it? Shine, can you check that one?
I did rotate it. Is this auto? This lock rotate?
I think so.
No, I changed that.
Maybe just ignore it. I don't know. It's Facebook. That's YouTube. I don't know.
No, your phone was locked rotate. That's why YouTube couldn't see what was going on. There we go.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Yan. Tama na? Nag-work na? Pwede. Green. Masih tidak 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 ya? Five.
Secret.
Aku agak sedih nak.
How do you do that?
It's on.
10.
Is it?
Wala siyang baba.
Oh, look.
Oh, wala. Consider nyo lang baba.
I thought it's equals.
Hindi.
Natong may dalawa pang baba.
Walang baba, 2 hits. So, 1, 5, 10, 10. 2 hits, 10 na. Plus 5, 15, 16 kayo pareho. Consider walang baba yung papi.
How much? 16.
16. Consider na walang baba yun. Kasi nga, nakadown lang yun. Pwede kang lumaban, pero 16.
16 points.
Oh, it's not like.
Sorry.
Sige. Tinigyan ako ng 10 ito. Pwede natin.
We will see each other's.
Yan lang ba po kayo mo siya sa costa? Ha? Ha? Uli po. Hindi na ako mapapaw ngayon. Alam sila. Yan yung ibaba pa. Hindi siya nagbaba. Kuya.
The first show features a replica of Australia's first ever aircraft. The installation of it, an engineering marvel, in its own right.
Ito ko niya. Hindi. Dahil tayo yung tapo na. Ay, just question.
Because it's the comment section.
Oh.
What is it?
Hindi.
This one?
Power class.
I've seen it.
Mas aganit. Intos ko. Ano ba talaga natin sa Cusco? Wala naman. May mantika pa tayo?
Yung
Vegetable, wala na?
pati yung siya.
Ay, uli po sa vegetable oil. Yan. Diba? Pumili ka ng ano?
What?
Merienda, ano? Merienda. Ano merienda?
To cheer you up?
Mana ka na. Jack din. Naku, nakuha tuloy. Naku. Wala nang tapo-tapo yan. Ano tapo niya? Yun din, ano? Yan. Yun yung truss na yun. Hindi ko makita ko yan. Yan, dito. Wala ko baka maano ko.
There was a downpour in the M5 the truck clipped the sprinklers setting off the entire system. One southbound lane was closed after the incident. Reopened once it had all been mopped up. It'll be more work tonight to fix the damage.
Meron naman siya.
It's a game change for the long-term effects of construction of fuel. The turbocharger is the brain's only healing powers that Australian medical breakthrough is next. Freddie Trindle tries to sidestep the NRL breakthrough and kills his point drug.
Ayun lang ba may tin? Ay, pala tayo may pen.
Restaurant's share price soaring. And the king of American TV goes out swinging. Stephen Colbert invites his famous friends on for his
Let me put that line that I signed.
his very favourite.
Ayan.
7.
Can't review things for me.
Can you make it tighter? This background or table?
Naku, oh, 7 ka? Yes.
What is that?
7. Na script. Blended.
Simple lunch. That's a wrap. Coles Top Light Wrap, 8 package at $2.20 every day.
Yan, pinakita.
Catch up with over 17,000 extras provides
Dalawang 5.
Step up.
Dalawang 5.
Value pack.
Agad pa rin. 5.
5.
5 na?
Yeah.
Wala ako daw.
Wala eh.
5 is okay.
1, 2, 3.
8. Ito ano. Bigger. Kailangan kong 9 pa eh. Meron kong 9?
6, meron ako.
May 6 din ako. Kailangan kong 4. Kasi wala na akong
Dalawang 4.
Better.
Some random is watching. Repost it. Repost it.
I haven't done anything.
Ang pasalamat na kailangan ko eh. Nakikuya lahat na kailangan ko.
Ex-NRL player Darryl Trindle from sidestep the law today, arriving in court for driving under the influence of ice. The 54-year-old Connor Rabideau has now lost his licence for guilty drug driving in the Hunter region last September. A new concussion drug being developed by Australian scientists is showing
Toxic weed wine with Western Sydney.
brain-to-own healing power.
Western Sydney residents being urged to stay alert for toxic weed mother millions as El Nino conditions increase. This fast-growing racist succulent is highly poisonous to humans, pets, and livestock.
This one.
This type of weed
Ano yun?
is poisonous.
Anong klase? Eh, wala naman dyan sa ano yun.
Western Sydney.
Oo
What
nga.
the council saying?
Pero, ay, sa ano?
Be careful.
Sa mga park. Nagbaba na ako.
Look like this.
Ay, ano yan yung flowers?
Poisonous to who?
Humans, pets, and livestock. Everyone.
Hindi ka na naghintay doon?
Alay! Too
Oh
far.
my god, look at this. I'm dumb.
Too far, papa.
Oo, meron na.
Yan. Kalayuan naman. Ako na. Kapawa. Tapos ulit. Ba't hindi ka tinawalan? Ba't hindi alam ulit yun nung ulit ate? Natakasan ka? Ano yan, 5? Natakasan siya? Ay, sus. Wala na.
Hundreds of activists on board a flotilla to Gaza had arrived in Turkey after being seized and ordered by Israeli
Yeah.
forces.
Natiwasan ng 30 eh. Malaking bawas yan.
There were two positions. We were on one together, the less brutal of the two. For us, water was very scarce in the 2 days of Israeli detention.
It comes after a far-right Israeli minister was globally condemning the posting vision and supporting the tank activists. Well, the reign of America's king of late night is officially over.
I thought you read already. Oo. Ayun, vegetable at saka ano.
CBS
Olive.
cancelled the Canadian hit show despite its ratings success.
Five.
The network accused of playing
Bye. Hindi mo na natin ito? Eight.
Give me something.
That's something. Hindi na bibigyan kasi ko.
You can have this.
Tinggap ko pa. Ulit.
Hindi ko nahintay niya.
Ngayon, pag di mo nintay,
Lalaban eh.
ano ka lalaban, iyo? May bigay ako sa iyo.
The cancellation was purely a financial decision and had nothing to do with political pressure. But it was a done deal. The man who took over from David Letterman 10 years ago would become the network's
Hindi ko nintay ito.
Wala nang 4.
Isa pa ka, hindi ka makalaban.
What a waste.
I absolutely love that Colbert got fired. I hear Jimmy Kimmel is next. Kimmel is
Usapan mo.
America's late night host and has survived repeated calls from the White
Oh,
House.
sayang.
Sayang.
Now in the box seat to claim the number one spot in late night.
Then,
He put up a rerun, no new show, to maximise viewers for his friend and competitor. We come to see, listen, we go.
di na ko ganun ka sana.
Ano kinuha?
Mahaba. Kasi tutungit ko na lang eh.
From the man himself, we're a bit of the
Nakabili.
Look at all
Wow.
this.
Yan
Pair,
lang.
pair.
Oo. Ayun, hindi mo sinapa pa, no? Rest.
Why? Nothing. I don't need to do it yet. Just in case there's another 2.
Eh, nasa akin eh. Hindi ko bibigay. Nasa
Yeah,
akin.
how would you know? How would I know?
Magkano?
11. Tungit eh. May isa kong joke na.
Oh, this.
11.
11 points.
Hindi. Anong points? That's not points. That's money.
Points.
Why?
Just in case we get banned.
Ano ba yan? We're not playing with money anyway. We're playing with ano ba tayo?
Still considered.
We're playing with,
It's still considered. Looks like it's gambling.
no, it's not. Bakit sa
Because they use it on. Poker. Gambling.
We're not gambling. We're just playing. It's a funny little thing. Bonding. Okay, I am the dealer. Ay, kukunin ko rin marami na. Yan, sabi ko na. Kukuha ko na siya.
One of the largest media rights ever found on Earth in Australia. Under the Wenezi right was first discovered on the Nullarbor in 1911. Its two gigantic nameplates then found in 1966. Like some sites of the Mundrilla media rights
Yeah.
was 135 centimetres. Last night's fire was estimated to be just 20 to 30 centimetres in diameter. So, downsides are possible.
If it survived the trip down and didn't really get vaporized by the friction of the atmosphere, it may have landed somewhere.
The cancer fighting video game watches an immune system eats melanoma cells in real time. A cancer breakthrough after sport. And Zach is at a core stage night where the Bulldogs Zach just need to win. The new mark fight straight losses has the pressure mounting and now Phil Gould and Cameron Serraldo are at odds over the long-term future of Lachlan Galvin. Andrew Johns gets his ski scores next ahead of the Dogs clash against the Storm. The Dragons' new high-tech headquarters gets the PM's approval, but coach Dean Young says it doesn't guarantee success. And the shared bond with Laurie Daly, which made Ethan Stranger's origin selection oh so special.
And more showers on
Ano ba? Ako dagdag.
Yeah, give me.
Naku, nakatawan eh. Yes. Oh, see? Oh, lihat ko ko yan.
Week's Valley Lounge sale and Sunday with up to 40% off weather and fabric lounges in the area.
Ano tayo ni?
That's affordable for everyone. A lounge sale, Sunday and Sunday. Week's Valley.
King din. Pwede king din. Puro yung king. Ba't hindi ko wala sa jack dyan?
Quality fresh. How was your mess? Restaurant quality fried chicken in minutes with the Spice Tailor. Our three-step kit comes with whole spices, base sauce, and main sauce. The Spice Tailor. Restaurant quality meals in minutes.
Lucky.
Dalawang kiss. Ano, sige, wala na. Wala na. Ayan. Sabi ko na ba, kukuha ko siya. Ayan.
10.
Ayan, makukuha ko siya.
What am I doing?
Oops. Pwede siya, pwede. Paningit ah.
Should give the other one instead.
Sure. Wala nang sapaw yan. Wala nang dos. Hindi ka na sana nagsapaw sa sarili mo. Hindi tuloy makalaban. 8. Kunin natin yan. Ayan, sapaw ko yan doon. 6. Dahil Nagtatangis tayo.
Oh my god.
Ang dami kong panakot. Namimili lang ako ng panakot.
Okay, family points. 20 is 11, everyone. Again, 11. Okay, 11.
I thought I was gonna win that one. I should get the other one instead.
Oh, dapat hindi mo muna sinapa. Inilaro mo na sana, walang baba si papa mo. Hindi ako lalabas na, hindi ko pang barahan. You should fight. Papa walang baba. Lagi maganda na barahan.
I'll say yes, but with absolutely no confidence. Enjoy the game, Dave Barry. The Wild Dragons have officially opened their new centre of excellence, but interim coach Steve Young says the fantasy headquarters doesn't guarantee a turnaround on the field. The Red Bees suffering another blow with the Red Star ruled out of tomorrow's match against the Warriors. The team that rock bottom will be for help from the top.
Oh, laging unang tapong ko yan. Oh, kuha naman niya yun.
The Dragons went from where they are today into the success that historically they have been.
The interim coach has some confidence. There's been an early setback on the Red Bees' road to redemption. Jaden Stewart tearing his palm for training today. 20-year-old Hayden Buchanan pulled up for tomorrow's clash with the Warriors.
It's not too hard. Just don't train hard. Now gets the opportunity, and that's what they're doing since they've given those opportunities. If they take it, they stay there. If they don't, they don't.
Manly coach Kieran Foran has the inside word on his opponents this week. He was still playing with the Titans last season.
I don't feel an understanding of those guys who don't start. At the same time, a lot of them
After the Raiders' 30-22 loss to the Dolphins, Ricky Stewart's media conference
Ano yan?
turned into a monologue. No question, over in 90 minutes. Referee.
Hindi ka lang bigay kuya eh.
Where the dealer?
Pandila. Hindi, sa pang siya panis mo ka lang. Bababa na ako.
Looked up as he
5, nawalan na ng 6. Sila City lang pala yun.
this week, being picked by the Raiders. Raiders extra special to Spain. Is Canberra connection.
Yes, ulit. Pagsapaw pa siya.
Okay, sige na.
Hindi siya makalaban. Binigay ko na, di ba? Ay, binigay ko sa Pato, pagsapaw siya.
Give me something. Oh, what am I doing? Throw the wrong one.
Ito the wrong one.
Dos.
Anong ba siya? Lions. Okay. Nakakagit. Yeah. 5. Bigay ko sa kuya to. Kuya, no kuya. 10. Wala, kuya. Laban na tayo. Ay, hindi nakapasapos. Hindi ko nagsapos.
Can't even.
Hindi ko nagsapos.
Laban na.
Laban din.
Dos.
Tapos na. Ano ako, 7.
Yun.
Ah, yes.
1, 2, 3.
Plus 5. 8. 10.
Plus 5.
18 ako.
18 ka.
18 ako.
How about me?
Siya, 8.
8.
8 ka lang. 18 ako. Ano sa'yo? 18 lang yan. Yan, 18. Hindi ako binigyan ng alas eh.
Tumigts ako sa alas eh.
Ha?
Tumigts ako sa alas.
Sa akin may ganda ko. Sa 9. Salis ako sa 9. 8.
I think that was 2.
Dito.
I don't know.
Bilangin mo pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, di ba?
With World Cup spots on the line, the Socceroos are doing their best to keep tensions low as they aim to impress coach Tony Popovich.
were going out there trying to kill each other. They were a pretty big group. Everyone's pretty humble, down to earth, easy to talk to, and it's a good bunch of positive.
Mickey says he's grateful to be back in camp after managing 6 games during the A-League season. And the Exodus 2 wins away from their first NBA Finals appearance in 27 years. New York beating the Cavaliers 109-93 to take a 2-0 lead in the Battle for Honours in the East. The series now heads to Cleveland for games 3 and 4. But the match everyone is looking forward to tonight, Mark. The Dolphins against the Storm here at Stadium coverage online from 7.
Okay.
Spray or shot, which one is better for your child? We've got the results of the first nasal vaccine trial and the baby boom that has scientists celebrate.
Hindi pala yun. Ito pala siya.
Alright. Ano pa dyan? Ano pa? Ito na sa sako doon. Ito na tayo ng sako. Man. Ito din. Wala na, ang ganda na lang. Sa patas na. Wala nang nais, sayang. 3 lang. Bakit 3 na lang kunin ko siya? Ganyan din po yan.
Laban na.
Laban ka? Sige, laban din ako.
Okay.
Laban
I
ka?
don't know. I don't know. No.
Ilan ka?
Yeah.
4? Hindi pa rin tayo. 4 ikaw lumaban. Dito ano ka? 1, 2, 3.
I doubt the jack. Is it still in here?
13 ka. May laban ka. Ikaw. 8 ka. Kuya. 13, 8.
There it is. At the bottom.
Yan. 8 ka. Ba't siya lumaban? Pangit ako sa puti. Ano yan? Ito na natin kung yan. Pwede lang kung yan.
Experiencing the same level of side effects as those who opted for the jab. The vaccine, which they do exclusive to
Yan ganda.
children aged 2 to 17. Restaurant chain Guzman Gomez rallied today after announcing the stakes. I'll get a taste. And headlines Friday Finance.
Oh, kuya.
The shares jumped for 10% today and are up more than 16% this week. The reason is simple. Guzman Gomez is pulling out of the US. It was an extensive and ambitious idea that wasn't really working. But investors celebrated as new growth is doing it.
Ano yan? Hindi na ako.
345.
55.
Oh, I didn't see this one.
Jack.
It's often referred to Australia's national cancer
1, 2, 3,
Cancer eaters.
5.
approach to treating melanoma and saving lives.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Of immune cells moonlighting
5, secret.
cancerous tissue.
Angela Mack is among the tens of thousands of Australians touched by melanoma each year.
Ay. Tagal pa na pala yung
Years of exposure and clear skin didn't help.
masapal pa.
Laban na.
Wala ako.
Okay. 2.
Bilang,
1, 2, 3.
12 ako.
12 to 10, plus 10 siya, plus laban, 20. 20 na agad. 22 ka, 23.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, o 24 na pala. Ako, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Wala akong dami ko. Iniwan ko pa siyang 5. Ito, dito ngayon. Hindi na ayaw mo 24. 10 na agad yun.
Look, there's a thing that eats cancer cells.
Ano? Oh, yeah. Ang cancer cells.
I know, something that's...
Collaborated with former Australians of the Year, Professors Richard Scolyer and Georgina Long, on a published
Sino yung sila?
Kunin mo lang yung nut.
Ayun sa lamesa.
Thank you, Marcus. Still showers on the radar moving into the south, and they are set to continue into the evening. We're already getting in at 16 degrees, similar conditions now where so have your weekend forecast. Police probe lighted. The former Prince Andrew investigated over potential sex crimes. Fallout in the royal household.
4, 5.
Ito good.
Pagdagat din eh.
Yan, yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sikit lang. Ya.
Inflation's rising. If your grocery bill doesn't have to help, we're closing the price.
Tinggi.
Branded chicken, pasta, and apples until the 1st of August. Shop in store or online all that today.
Wala tayo. Wala tayo masunod.
Magbaba na rin.
Eight. Ayan.
I just put that down.
Oh.
Ano yung tapos?
Jordan. Right.
No, it wasn't. It was 9.
9.
Yun ba? Mhm.
Hindi ko na nga sinasapam eh.
Bakit nga ako? Tingnan, tingnan.
Oh, then it was a bit of a mixed bag. Today was
Ito.
Diyan na lang yan.
Dalawa pa?
Lalabang kami sana.
Wala naman. Ayan lang.
Press.
Wala pa na. Five.
Wala din.
Ha? Wala kayo? Ano mahal ko yun? 2, 7.
Ayun o, 6.
Balat-balat na din.
7?
Ito na yung dealer. Yan gusto kong tumis eh.
Sinapo ko yung tos. Nakuha ko naman yung alas.
Hindi ko siya parang nalabang ko. Oh, makala. Ano yung increasing? Sarot pa akong lalaba. Hindi ako makain. I can wait already.
Hindi na kumanda para rin.
Maganda yun. Oo.
Hindi makakuha ng joker.
Hindi ako makakuha ng joker.
Thanks for your company. Good night.
Kuya.
Hello, I'm Alex and welcome to The Current Affair. Who will be next? Coming up, a sinister escalation. Ferraris, Rolls-Royce and Aston Martins become the latest targets for violence.
Even if that's not possible. Bye-bye.
Violence for angling up Bunnings and former Creeks now under investigation over alleged
Para mababala.
The first are Chris and Erin's miracle babies, twins born 10 months early. The new parents were prepared for a long city hospital
Oo. Wala na, ganda na lang. Ano pa? Really? Okay. Ano ito pa? Nagtatapos yan?
Yun, yeah. Green. Ah, pangit.
Tongue it.
Why?
Isa lang. 11. Apat ang hits na. Ay, ano na? Gising na? 11. Dito. Isa pa mo, kuya. Makakunin yung ulit eh. Mayroon ano yun, mga ano. 9, kailangan ko 9. Okay pala. Kung nakakuha ka ng dito na.
Hindi, joker na. Dati na.
Kailangan ko dito.
Hindi nila tatapos yun. Jack, 9, Queen. Queen
Kung 9, kailangan ko rin. Kung Queen, kailangan ko rin. Kung Jack, kailangan ko rin.
Ang saka na rin ito.
Naku, ang dami na kuya oh.
Kukunin ko na.
Amazing.
Ganda mo ba ito?
For the past 9 weeks, the boys have been growing bigger and stronger in their military beds in Sydney. How was that first time? The boys still have a long road ahead of them. They're still on breathing support, which made the call Erin got at 1:08.
7.
7. Secret? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cinco.
A little bit frustrated at know with the cold transfer.
Seis.
Bakit gusto mo kuya? Wait.
Yes. I want that one.
Hindi ko na lang eh. 6. Dito. Hindi ka pa kita. Queen kuya. Tawag ko na.
Well, who's behind it? First it was tobacco.
7 dito. 7 kuya.
It's the latest time to fight. It's the new weapon of terror.
Bakit pa kailangan bigay ko?
4.
Ayan. Ito kuya oh.
No, I'll just fight.
Di fight? Wala ko.
Lani. Dalawang king pa.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 9.
Dalawang king pa ako.
Ba't di mo kita yung king na ibinigay niya?
King?
Oh, binigay ka?
Kailan?
Kuya.
Hindi.
I didn't. That's last round.
Ah, kanina. Ay, ba't yun? Ayaw nila magbayad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito.
Oops.
Wala pa ako, kailangan ko pang ano. Ilang ka? Konti lang? Dapat ibigyan mo. 17. Binigay ko 3. Kasi kailangan ko 3.
Masarap.
Layo na.
Dalawang king. Pangit.
Wala man kung ako king.
Masalod.
Kukunin mo na ko yun. Dami niya. Hirap ko yan. If I need to make you. Kasi, hindi mo makukuha.
Queen. Queen din.
Nine.
Diba na?
Tingin naman baba niya.
Yeah.
Jack. Sasapaw ko sana eh. Kunin ko na. Kunin sasapaw. Kunin.
Nice, you want to put it here?
Hindi na. May baba ako eh. Shows me you. Nasa ko?
Queen.
Queen Jin? Ay, kasi alagaan ko. Binigyan niya ako ng Jack eh. Dalawang Jack ko eh.
Yan.
Okay lang binigay niya. Sapaw ko doon. Anong kanya? Eh, malambigay niya sa akin eh. O, sagasa pa ako. Sagasa ko rin. Hindi na. Oh. Ito. Dapat hindi ko sinagasa. Naghangad ng pera. Hindi dapat. Nalaro ko lang. Sagasa ko pa. Dapat hindi ko sinagasa.
Ako na lalaban. Tatlong king.
Sige, laban.
No, you can have it.
Pinatakbo ko lang yung dealer eh.
Oh, 18.
18.
Pero 7 lang ito yun.
Pinatakbo ko lang yung dealer.
7, 18 ka di. 9. 9 plus laban. 10, 19. Plus 1, 20. Ikaw, 6 ka lang. You're 6 only, kuya. Ngayon, patakboy mo ako. Ngayon, patakboy mo ako.
Makukuha mo na yan. Hindi mo marunong mag-pitch game.
Bakit ka magpatak niya kanya? Kasi di ka naman lang di ano, di na pagkatapos. Dapat ilabang ko rin ang pala ako. Yun.
Ako, nagsasakripisyo ako.
Oh, bakit ka magsakripisyo?
Eh, pahit yun, no?
Kahit na, no sacrifice.
Siyempre, sasakripisyo.
Kaya tulad ngayon, no? Yun natin, nasakripisyo mo. Nagkakamali din ang gusto sa binibigay. Ganun siya pala. Hindi siya na nakahit. Wala ang tao. Ay, tagal na ba ito? Isa. Oh, lagi niya na unang takong ko.
Ako, nagsasakripisyo ako.
Kung magsakripisyo ka, hindi mo mababa.
Hindi na ako nagsasapaw. Sapaw yan, oh. Hindi ko na sinapaw.
Bakit mo nagsasapaw?
Hindi yung
Ano
sacrifice.
ito? Bakit naman may pa ako? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Tama natin pa rin. Ay, ang ganda pa man din pa yun. Uy, see? Ganda. Ako hindi ako pwede magsakripisyo. Dahil ako ano, palaban. So, sakripisyo siya sa akin. Oo, nabili ko na sa sarili. Magsapaw pa.
Oh, ito.
Ito. Ay, ano pa siya? Nagpalakad pa. Singko na lang siya.
Hindi makachaw eh. Kaya hindi pa rin sasapaw.
Para sa sapaw.
Hindi ko rin sasapaw.
Ano yan, sais? Salamat naman. Wala ang tres, ano? Wala na ko sa ako dyan.
Should have kept that.
Alin?
7,
Nako po.
6, 2, 4.
Alas na lang ako eh. O, dalawa-dalawang joker ko eh. O.
1.
1, 11. Naku po, ang na niya talaga. Dito na, so, dami na. Wala sila ako, kung di ka tungit. Nalaban ko na. Hindi ako kalaban ko na. Dito marami ko sa pawan. Bakit kaya ano? Kasi ano yun, wala akong pamukha. Hindi ba mag- Kaya ano, ito pala, kang bilang. Hindi ko paano yung bilang ko. Sabi ko, halimit ko lang. Hindi ko pa. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Sakripisyo. Sacrifice ka eh. Secret. Okay. Sige ko yan. Ang ganda ng baraha ko.
Baka matongis na naman. Wala naman akong baba.
Cheese.
Aw, man.
Hindi ako.
What a waste.
Ikaw ang dealer eh, ha?
What a waste.
Oo nga, waste talaga yan. Ano tatapo ko sa'yo? Talaga. Parang siya makasakit sa akin.
I'll take it.
Green. Ang hinanap na ito, wala na. Wala ka na. Sikat ko siya dyan. Wala din? Ayan.
Wish para mo.
1, 2, 3, 8. Dala-dalang doon ka sa akin eh. 8. Ito, magkasi dito. Kuya, bigay ka dito.
Ah.
Uy, kupanin ko na yan. Wala na dyan? Kupanin ko na. Parang meron pa. Ayaw, Jerry, kuya. Kupanin ko na ha. Ang dami na yan eh. Hindi na mabilang. Walang gamit yung ating joker.
Yeah, king.
Tayo. Ano ba?
Actually, no.
Teka ka. Nawala naman ang 5.
Lemon. Wala na pala. Kaya ayun yung isapaw. Nagsapaw ka lang, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Then,
Nasa pa ito.
oo. Nagsapaw ka pala sa iyo.
Okay, Latino.
Ano ba yun? Hindi.
Lingko.
Tapos masapaw. Dito na lang. Give me one and I'm alright. That is. Give me.
Yeah.
Jack na naman. Wala na ako sapaw, di ba? Sayang, dapat 16 ako. Ano? 9.
Fight.
So, shit.
Hindi ko na nga sinapag, oh. Paano ko lalaban? Ang dami ko pa.
Sige, ito. Dealer ako eh.
9.
Dos ako eh.
What?
1, 2.
5 lang ako, hindi ako lumaban eh.
9
Yeah.
ka, 2, 7, plus 2, 9, plus 5, 19 ka.
Ah, those
19 ka, ikaw ay, ano lang,
bad cards.
ano ka lang, 6 ka lang.
Those bad cards.
6.
Wasn't good.
Hindi nga ako lumaban. 5 lang ako, hindi ako lumaban.
Dapat lumabang ka. Hindi mo lang siya kung nakulit. Pagkatapos ng alas.
Tumalang pa sana na alas.
Nagkatapos ng queen. Sabi ko, wala nang pag-asim pala ako. Sabi ko, wala nang pag-asim pala ako eh. Tapos lumabas na yung, king, lumabas na yung 8. Dami na na. Bundok na yung akin. Sabi ko sa'yo, ako kukuha eh. Ay, ang ganda na naman ng barahan.
Secret.
Naku po, nakuha agad ang $5 doon.
Oops.
Yung na agad, ang tapon niya. Yan. Ocho. Matibigay ko na rin ng king. Saka?
Hindi.
Hindi. Ako pa yan.
Tomorrow night, Mel's legacy, the young woman who loves helping others.
Hi.
and families.
Lakay baba, labang ko na to. Alas lang baba.
I can challenge.
Yeah, may secret ka eh. You can challenge. Okay, gagawin ko ito din. Oo, 1, 2, 3 eh. Laban na.
And I don't challenge.
Why you can challenge?
Busy size pa.
Maybe Mama has more.
Anong more? Dalawa-dalawa joke ako. Oh, ano lang ako sa 8? 1, 2, 3. 8.
That's not fair.
8.
We should
Kaya,
change.
kaya, kaya, kaya.
We should change
8.
seats.
Oh, yan. Ay, dili, tayo. Dalawa-dalawa joke ako eh. Ano mo, Cho? Yan, ano ba ba? Diyan si Ate Alec. Ay, bukas magawa yung pagkain mo. Hindi. Lagay ni Mama. Hindi na kang basta. Buti meron pa. Pag sila dala mo. Where are the rest?
Carbaretin provides effective relief from cough, cold, and flu symptoms. Sort it off. My God, what's happening behind the scenes with the Los Angeles Lakers is something nobody was prepared to see. My friend, I need you to pay close attention because the information that's coming out now has already started to shake up the entire NBA. And you're about to be one of the first Lakers fans to understand exactly what's going on before most people do. And I'll tell you something as a fan. When the Lakers
Hindi
start
na gawin
behind the
para,
scenes
Harry.
like this, it's because something huge might be about to happen. So subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications
Green.
now. Because you don't want to miss any updates. Raise your hand if you want to see Walker Kessler wearing purple and gold.
Okay.
Because right now, Lakers fans have practically reached the limit. The team desperately needs a dominant center. Kessler seems to fit that need perfectly, but there's a harsh reality behind this dream. In theory, it's
Oh my God, what a terrible.
before the end of last season, and this immediately raised alarm bells.
Here,
throughout
you want
the
King?
NBA. After all, when a young talent doesn't secure an extension quickly, it usually signifies a financial disagreement between
Oh,
the
yeah.
player and the franchise. And then Lakers fans start dreaming. But the real scenario is much more complicated. The Utah Jazz simply
King.
isn't under financial pressure. They love the franchise has plenty of salary cap space. And
Hindi ka
they
nang
easily
bigay.
offer a huge contract to keep Kessler on the roster. And this information completely changed the market's perception. Expert Matt Stein had already highlighted this previously.
What did that?
Sam Vecini from the famous Game Theory podcast further reinforced this view. According to Vecini, the Jazz would have virtually no
10.
reason to let Walker Kessler go. And the statement caught the attention of the entire NBA. He stated that even an offer close to $35 million per season would likely be matched by Utah. Yes, $35 million per year. This shows how much the franchise believes in the center's potential. And there's an important detail that could make things even more difficult for the Lakers. The defensive partnership the Jazz envisions, forming between Walker Kessler and Jaren Jackson.
10.
Utah believes he is one of the strongest paint defenses in the NBA. Jaren Jackson Jr. has always been an elite rim protector, but he has a very clear deficiency in rebounding. Young center perfectly compensates for this weakness. He dominates rebounds, protects the rim, and offers a constant physical presence.
Pero di ba meron tayo yan? Sinala ba natin yan noon?
Seems critical. And when a franchise sees this type of competition, the price rises drastically. Even if the Jazz eventually consider trading Kessler,
From the farmer's market?
several NBA teams would pay a high price.
Was it the same brand?
That's where Austin Reeves made the conversation, because realistically, Utah would hardly accept a trade without receiving a valuable player in return. And the Lakers
Laban naman.
lose Reeves. The result, the scenario becomes extremely complicated. The truth is,
Yes.
Walker Kessler won't be as simple as showing up with a truckload of money at his door.
19.
7.
Joke ka. We have 13, 14, 15. 15 plus laban.
The franchise
25 na.
Whoa.
And now several strong names are emerging linked to
Bakit
the team.
kalma ba? Ganyan, dami ko pa pala. Ako?
One is simply Jalen Green.
Ganyan,
Yes,
tatlo,
one of the most promising young centers in the NBA.
Apat.
The Lakers' idea is clear. Find a center who is
can't remember.
alongside Luka Doncic.
I can't remember.
Considered internally as the franchise's main star. And Durham seems to fit that profile exactly. In
I can't remember. That doesn't say.
2025 and 2026
Ah,
season, he
ano
had
eh,
the best
isa
number of
lang.
his career and completely
2 jokers. 1 joker, 2 ace.
so strong that he became eligible for a
3.
maximum contract. We're talking about something close to $245 million for 5 years. $290 million if he makes one of the All-NBA teams. But there's a very important detail in this thing. The playoffs may need practice.
Hey!
And that's precisely where the Lakers believe they can attack. Depending on the off-season salary movements, Los Angeles could open up between $40 and
Mara na?
$48 million in salary
Hindi kaya ka kumukuha.
to create room for a heavy attempt to sign the center. But there's another important obstacle. Jalen Duren will be a restricted free agent. Or, in other words, the Pistons could simply match any offer. Even so, within the league, there's a perception that the Lakers will try, mainly because Duren is still only 22 years old and possesses absurd growth potential. But the Lakers aren't just looking for centers. There's another urgent need, finding a 3-and-D style player. That is, someone capable of strong defense and sinking three-pointers. And this gains even more strength because Rui Hachimura may lead the team in the offseason. That's where Peyton Watson comes in. The Denver Nuggets forward had the best season of his career in 2025, over 26. And the numbers...
This face?
That's a lie.
This face in the cupboard?
Oo.
For the oil?
Oh.
Wala, nasa baba. In the bottom.
The comparisons don't stack up. Get the facts. Australia runs on gas. But
Glasses, you have to try this.
Throw away your outdated reading glasses and expensive progressive lenses. One pair is all you need. These smart autofocus glasses from the American Optics Hub have brought us to capture your visual needs in real time, completely without an exam. Whether you want to do anything on your phone, work on your computer, or drive safely, these glasses
Alin?
automatically focus into 0.1 seconds.
Yes.
Technology from
Got something down.
experience a smooth transition with absolutely no dizziness. It feels like
Siguro
you're
sa
the
inyo.
eyesight of your 20s.
Oh, over here.
Originally custom made for leading opticians, the frame is crafted from ultra-light
Kaya
carbon
also, naman. Sa
and
10.
virtually indestructible. Even if you accidentally step on it, it snaps right back into shape. Furthermore, it features an intelligent blue light filter and photochromic technology. As soon as you step outside, it
Tapos yun, Hindi na kita yun.
Too far.
Ano lang yan?
Secret.
May secret pa siya.
jewelry designer is not just a pair of glasses, but a stylish accessory that elevates your look. Normally, a pair like this costs over $300, but due to an expired contract
Okay.
with Chicago Industrial Park, we are offering the final batch today for the price of a box of chocolates. This is a true, direct from factory sale, absolutely unique.
What is that? You see that cards?
Huh?
Tongits or what?
Wala, wala pa ako.
Oh.
Offering a 30-day
I'll take this.
trial. If you don't like it, you get a full refund, no questions asked. Click the link below to learn more. We only have a few pieces left in stock. Regain your crystal clear vision before this offer is
Dali mo
gone.
first. Talas. Sungit na?
Sapaw.
Sungit na?
Tongits.
Oh, wow. Anyone have 3?
Wala, wala.
Yeah.
Check ko na yun.
1, 2, 3, 4.
14. Sa telephone ko. Ay, wala yung puno ko. Wala yung puno ko.
What about 3 of hearts? Oh, there it is. Next one.
What?
And that would have been Tongits.
14? 14? Ako rin eh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Marami na ito.
Where am I?
14.6 points per game, 4.9 rebounds.
Huwag na yan yung narration. Change it.
Wala ka dyan. Tingnan natin kung sino kukunin nilang player.
Ay, ata. Joker pa man din yun.
The last card then. It's on the last card. So you have to play it till the end.
Nakaiga ka. Bakit kasi ang bitin mo doon sa Overwatch? Ay, ito lang. Hindi natin gagamitin yan.
Ano
Overwatch.
yung nasa training?
Hindi yung ano, favorite ko ano ay.
Ha?
Parang si Carrot. Kumakanat ko yan.
I didn't
Ay,
win.
hindi pala ikaw siya. Kala ko ikaw kumuha. Ako ang Joker nandun sa baba. Paano ako ang Joker? Joker niya. Siguro sila anak, ilagay mo na sa ziplock. Kasi ano ba yan?
Better than the one in the thing.
Okay.
Secret. Ding. Ah.
Bring this is a sweet to a family gathering.
Ang alin? Wala nga, dala kahit ano sa Syria. Yung family gathering.
Okay, you don't grow up.
Ha? Hindi ko na rin tayo.
Ganyan.
I bet there's a jack. The secret is a jack.
Okay. Okay.
Wala nagdala ng chichirya. Yung bagi natin. Anong nagdala niya? Yung gusto lang, chichirya din.
Wait, wait.
Ay, wala nang nine. No? Wala nang nine.
You're dirtying the table.
Hindi, kayo.
No, you're dirtying the table. I know. Tapaw. Wait, who won? Did I win?
Ako.
I'm like, why do I still have this? Oh, you don't have the jack. The secret is not jacks.
Wala ka yan.
I'll give you all.
Yeah.
I'll give you all.
Ah,
I've got one more.
ano binigay mo natin? Thank you. Hindi ko yung joke sa dulo.
Who's gonna get the last card?
Ano yun? Dahil ko, hindi na lang. Ayan ko na. Ito.
Ah! Slack.
That's a secret.
Ganyan.
Oh, I couldn't get that.
Couldn't stop out.
Oo.
Because you had the 2.
One lang, 11.
You got lucky.
11. 11. 11. Sila kayo sila. Kasi no, nakuha naman ni ito niyo.
You were both the same position.
Oh, you already set it up.
Oh, naman ni ito niyo, saan? How many you got here? Hindi pa sila natag-isa ko lang. Wala pa, marami niya. Ako na mag-isa. Ako na start now.
Throw a small in the end, I'll catch it.
Ako lang mag-hit. Ito lang kumain. 57 kilos na ako siya. Nagyapo doon sa kanila, 57.
Ang bigat naman ng damit mo.
What did you wear?
Jacket. Yung jacket nga lang, 5, ano na yun.
500 grams.
0.5 na yun. Sabi ko lang naman. Sige. Ano yan ko sa'yo? Ay, ang ganda na. Ano ba ito?
No more. This is rubbish now. How do we break this?
Green. Green. Ikot ko siya. Anything green. Yan.
What size is this shit? I feel like it's too big for you.
Di ba nagsasapaw? Lagay ko dyan. Oh, this.
Oh, it's a 2X. That's why.
Ito nagsasapaw. Lagay ko dyan. Para matutunan.
I'll put this down so you could give me the ace.
That was my net.
Ilan pa bala mo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 daw. Ano yun? 7? Pwede natin yan. 3. Anak ko? Pwede ako ah. Nabigay?
Tongits.
Nilaban ko na sana, hindi ko na kinuha yun. Kanya lang ako eh, oh. Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4.
14. Kanya lang ako eh, oh. Buo pa yun, oh.
14.
Oo. Buti. Pwede rin. Kaya ka na. Sana nilaban ko na. Kuha ko sana. Papa, siya ako hindi ko lumaban. Sana ito.
What was your... How many...
5. Kanya na ako. Ito, nagtapot ako ng 5. Binigyan kita ng 3.
Yeah.
D6 ka pa. Ginamit mo yung joker mo sa pot. Oo.
Nagalawang din po.
Oo. Yan, ginamit na. Ipag na lang ako eh.
Well, I could have won. I don't know. Maybe I could have won.
Oo, ano naman yung hindi ko lumaban ako. Kaya ko lumaban eh. Kailangan ko na pala kung ano. Sayang, sayang. Hindi ko pala nilagyan. I'll make it very big. Baka malalalo ngayon.
May orange pa dyan, ano?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Why are you following them?
Did you feed it already?
Here she is. Oh, you want to sit down now?
Oo.
One box this.
Huwag mo lagyan ng air.
Okay,
Why you putting
I'll
it?
just put this down
Malambot yan pag may air.
and throw this.
Marami ka.
Juice.
Gulay.
Wala ko ito. Takman.
Yun, pagbaba. Pabuo din isa.
Yan. Mucho. King. Five. Oh. May siyang dilit. Wala na 8. Pababa na lang.
Nuebe rin. Wala, parang...
Ano na yun?
Ah, Olive.
Ang ganda. Bakit wala nagtatapon ng 7 eh?
Madog. Madugog. Olive, did you walk today?
Yes. Yun.
This one.
Wala akong patro. Hindi, wala. Ayun na ente.
Ay, bakit yun?
Okay. 2.
Oo, bakit tapon yung ating joker? Nabisto tuloy na. Yes. Ay, kiss them. Naku ko, natapawan tuloy. Wala na?
No, still got 4.
Natapawan ako eh.
Wala na pala ito.
Wala,
Hintay ko.
nabahan mo.
Sino ang tapon ito?
Ako, 6?
Ay,
Wala nga sabi kong 7 eh.
Hmm.
Nasa taon ako no?
Wala na rin tres.
O, di ito tamis na lang natin.
Oh my god. You had the Joker, that's unfair.
1, 2, 3, 13. Sabi ko sa'yo ngayon kukukunin eh. 13. 2, 4, 6, 7.
I'm watching
Ito.
live.
Ayan.
Thought I was gonna win that one.
Ilalaban ko na. Binigyan na ako ng 3.
I had 2 4s, I didn't want to fight.
Kaya lang sinasama mo ko ng 3. That's why I cannot fight. Kasi alas na lang natira sa akin. Last joker.
Let me shuffle.
Yes, because I'm shuffling outside. The luck is on me. Wala nagpatawa para sa posto siya? Ha?
There's a few.
Masusunod? Kukunin ko na yan. Sigurado na yan. Makukuha ko na yan.
Pagka kinuha mo yan.
So, ano?
Ayaw na ako. Wala na eh.
Ba't ka makamayang? Hindi ka naman naayaw. Yan o. Ay, sus niya ginawa. Ang kuya. Ano sabi niya sabi ko?
Parang baba na.
Ano yung 4? Bakit naman? Sinagala mo. Ayan. Nakuha ko tuloy ko yun. Tumura tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Ah, wala na rin pala. Ano?
The remote.
Wala din.
Over here.
Ano ba yun?
Yeah.
Ano yan? Okay. Yeah. Yan. Good thing mo. Wala na pa ito.
Hindi ko na kinakapa.
Wala naman natin pwede mo sa ako. Kaya nga sa ganyan. Kasi naku ako pa. Ang galing niya. Ang galing niya. Ang galing niya. Ang galing niya.
Tingnan.
Salamat. That is what I'm waiting for. Oh, Jack. Natakin ko nito, ayaw bigay eh. Kasi ko tinatapon yung king.
Sige, laban.
Laban din.
Wala, panalo ka na.
Okay.
Ilan ka?
What is that?
Dos.
15.
Ilan ka? Dos. 5 ako eh. Ayan.
3, 4, 5. Plus laban.
15 ako.
Okay.
Siya. Ilan ang ano mo?
15.
15. 12. Plus laban. 10. 22.
Plus
23. 24. 24 siya. Ako lang? 15.
15.
15. Ano ako? Ayan, dito na kayo. Dumami yan. Kuya.
So, kunin ko na yan.
Hindi.
I'm hot.
Hindi ka papayagan ni Kuya. Hindi ka na Kuya ka. I feel hot, sign. I lost $15. 15.
Game's gonna fall.
Ha? What? Hindi.
The blue.
Yan, magpupundi ka ba ba ko siya?
Gitna na.
No.
Hindi, sa yan, nasa yan.
After dinner, we'll swap the spot.
You always put me in this spot, that's why.
No, we go there all the time.
Hindi, sabi ko, Kuya, where am I?
No.
Because I already set up the cameras.
And he said, you are there. So I said, okay. No complaint. Oh. Ay, ang ganda naman, oh. Ang ganda talaga pamilyan ko. Okay. Sino ano? Sino nanalo? Ka? Tais. Ano ba yan? 9.
I'll put down then. 9-2.
You look fair.
Jack. Hindi ito kukunin. Hindi na lang. Ito ko lang ko.
May birthday.
Queen. Sayang. Dapat hindi ka kanya. Mali. Queen ko yan. Sabi nga pa ng alam.
Okay.
Laban na?
What do you mean?
May pink ako.
Hey!
Kahit may joker ako.
Ano, medyo ka din naman.
Last time.
Ikaw, kuya. La?
What do you have?
11.
Yeah, I got 7, 10, 11. Ah, I got a picture.
Oh my God.
Oh, ano lang, 7. Tama, lumabang ka. 7. Pati 7.
That's just one more. I was gonna find one more. Wait, how much?
7. Kaya din, kaya. Kaya. Kaya, mali na loob mo eh. Sabi ko, mayroon pang kilyo, kaya lumaban ako, si Andila eh.
Mataas pa rin yung kasama kong pati na Paris. 7.
Hindi ka kasi may tinapa mo 7. Isa king.
May dalawang 4.
Okay na, mataas yung king. At least yung 7 mababa.
50 na yun ang bilang.
Doon. Ngayon sa ako, kung pinapa sa kanan. Sa panini. Bigyan mo ko ng job. Oh, yung ganda. Hindi na. Dami eh. Dalawang king. Ako, yung palang kailangan niya. Mali akong bigay. Diba? Nagkalimuhan na. Gusto magpagdarat doon.
Escalera.
Ano sila? Magsalubong.
Galera.
Nabigyan ka to eh.
This is 998. There we go.
Hindi ko na
Hindi na. Tumito.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Wag ito.
Oh my god. You swap.
Okay. Oh, ano? Pera kayo, 5.
How much is it?
5. At tumit yan, oh. Tumit lang. Tingnan.
Kasi ako.
Nintay ko lang ang nagdoon eh. Natin. Masip natin.
I thought we're gonna eat dinner now.
Yun ang dinner, kuya.
Oh yeah, we have.
Yung dinner. Sabihin niya after dinner na mag-stop. After dinner. Papacheck na ako eh. Hindi mo sinapo dito, kuya.
No.
Kasi ko lang baba. Kaya yung dito ko. Ito? Walang bebe? Hindi pala eh. Hindi pa yan. Oh, nintay ko yung pin eh. Ito yan. Sige mo. Wala pa baba ito lahat. Harap ko dyan nag-aalas. Kapag Kim ba? Ang katong pa yan? Kim? Elektro? Nasa ko na. Ito.
I'll give you both.
Ngayon ako po. Sinapon niya lahat. Lahat.
Two.
So, hindi ka nakantay.
Hindi ba?
Wala na. Ang layo pa.
Doon na lang.
Ako hindi.
Mama's winning!
Ako hindi.
I suppered you ba?
Oo nga, may sapa kasi ako. Ito wala. Yan. Okay, no?
Hmm?
So, yan. Sa'yo. Parang may sapa ko na. Kasasapa na. 7. Yan, kun ko yan.
20.
So, 3 na lang. Kuya, may sapa ka. Yan.
Tongits.
Ano, advertise ka ba doon? Ay, wala.
Ayan.
Ay, mati mo binigay.
Okay.
Wait, tongits anyway.
Hindi kasi tumis ako pag binigay niya yun.
Ah. What the?
Tumis, wala ka naman? Wala ka na? Meron isa. Wala, akin to.
No, no.
Wala,
Nothing.
wala ka, wala. Yan lang. Yan ka lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, 10. Kasi ako.
Salmon.
Yan mo na po yan.
Ang laki salmon nun.
Ay, malaki yan. Isa pilihan yan. Robin. Bagong huli. Yung mga kamatis at ano.
Mga wala, bumibigay sila.
Kasang-kasa sa ubi natin yan. Patapon niya. Patapon. Sa tali pa. Ano sa tali pala yun? Yung beach. Yung maganda ka naman yung lugar, oh. Malilit ang tubig. Beach ba yan? Bakit ka na pupunta dyan, Sai? Dinaanan na natin yung part na yan. Clean. Okay.
Okay.
Nasa 5 siya. Then, Seven, kuya. Nine. Jack. Ito na yan. Ano yan? 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Hindi, yan. 6, 7, 8. Seven. Clean. Boost mo lang.
5.
5 sayang. 6 wala na ito huli.
That's 5.
Five? May dalawang packing ko. Wala na rin size.
You ready?
Sino bang ano? Sige, sa'yo na. Ilan ka?
4.
Oh, 4 ka pala eh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ano pa ako eh? 10, 11 pa.
4, 9.
9.
And that.
9.
Did I win?
Ako na sa iyo eh. Sige na pa.
Red change, $1.
Okay na pala yung 5 mo. Ano ka pala? Ano, lalo ko ito sa kanila na ano. Sige.
Buti nga, naka-secret ka.
Kaya nga eh. Pinapawisan ako kung hindi ako nananalo. Eh, pilan pa. Ganun din. Hindi ako binigyan ng ano eh, ng 4. Ano pang hawak mo?
No patient.
Ah?
Why not?
Secret yung 4.
Ah, sige mo ba yun? Sana hindi ko muna pa sila. Ano yan? Yan. Uya. Ito lang ano, hits ah. Hindi ko nalaman na hits pala siya. Sana nakapirmis.
Oh wait, did you win last game?
Ikaw.
Are you sure?
Yep, kaya ito ang hits mo ulit eh.
Or maybe I just didn't give it.
Hindi, eh, ganito yun.
Ano?
Ang nanalo. Okay. Ano yung higit mo? Ako, tinado na. Hindi na natin na dyan, kuya. Tigil isa naman.
Too late. Too long.
Last lang.
Tama yan. Diyan, yan. Ito pala, di siya makatsaw. Makatsaw pa yun.
Oh, yeah. She gave me the king.
Ngayon, kaya natin doon. Tuhit na lang natin. Okay?
This one?
Mhm.
You did it both anyway.
Songit mo na.
Sino ako? Let's go talaga.
Is it? Oh my god.
Sana, 11.
What this would have been yours, and this would have been mine.
11.
What did you give it?
Bakit hindi mo binigay? Kasi nanalo siya ng medyo kaya. Hola, Berkele. Hola, Berkele. Hola, Berkele. Tama ka naman. Ito ka ng hili. Ito pa.
Sila, kulang na ang barahan mo.
Hindi. 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12. Tama. Diyan. Nandun ko yan. Sayang. 5. Bakit yan? Mali. Bakit dos? Hindi ka tabi niya. Mali.
Laban na.
Wala ako babae. Bakit wala laban?
You can have it. 3 kings. I'm waiting for the other king.
Ayan ka.
Dos.
Dos na lang pala siya eh.
Hindi, dos ang bilang yan. Dalawa.
Mga baba pala ko na. 12 ako. Wala akong babae. Siya 7 ako yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 12. 11. Saan yan? Ha?
Circular cave?
Saan sila ko yan? O, yun ito dyan eh. Ano yan ito?
It's like circular cave.
Humuli yan ng Jopis dyan.
Saan yan? Saan pati yan? Ay, ko naman dyan. Kasi mami. Wait. Sasang ulit. Kasi sa'yo pero pili. Oo. Ayun sa gilid na. Pero pito siya nakalaan noon.
One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7,
Maka.
8,
Ay, nako.
Are they using the yellowtail as bait?
Ayan o. 7.
Queen ano?
Ano ko pin? 4. King. Ba? 4 na. Nag-4 pa siya.
Sige.
7.
It's a little tiny bimbo. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Gis, kuya.
Look at this. That's a flare up in my
I don't know how old that is. It's a library now.
Maybe it's in. It's where are they? Oh, Maine.
Fair ang labanan. Ito. Ito naman yun. Ano ilalagay ko dyan? Wala na may protest. Wala nang 5. Ito lang yun sa kanya. Ano 6. Alas na lang. 9. Doon. Ay, ano doon ka ito? 5. Ako ko yun. Oh, sayang. Ako ko ito namin dyan. 8 wala lang. Ay, wala na siya. Sayang. Wala lang space.
She picked it up.
Wala na siya sa ako dito. Stress na lang. Alas. Doon, alas na lang. Wala dyan.
Kahit hira ako nakangaymi.
Sino ba hit?
Ako.
Hindi. Wala.
You're gonna have king down.
Wala na. Nakadala eh. Sayang. Oh, 9. Naubo.
Malakas pala siya na yung pasilira.
How many
Ay,
cards?
ako ko pala
How many cards left?
4.
4 cards left.
Oh.
It's a fail. 5.
Pawang ko. Nasa ko lang dito sa akin. Wala na? Oh, meron pa.
1 more? 2 2.
Dalawang tawag ko yan. Dulo. Isa ko. Wala na yan. Wala na.
Wala na ba?
May
2 more.
Ako na lang. Sige sa kanya ko.
Ha?
One more card
Hindi
left.
pa rin siya pa.
Oh, no, it's bad.
Yun. Ano yan kuya? Wala na. Dos na lang dito eh.
Wala na?
No.
Wala na. Wala ka?
3. I did 2. 1, 2.
Siyang huli, no? Sana lumaban ako. Dos lang ako eh. Hindi ako makakaroon ng maliit. Yan, no? Tatlong anak.
2.
Ito? 27. Doon ka makakaroon ng anak. Yung ano ng pagkakaw. Nasa iyo pala.
No.
Pagkakaw na dos. Sana lumaban ako. Sino ko ito? Saan yung kasi ito lagi? Ito iba yan. Saan yan? Papunta na yan.
Ride? Wait, not ride. Who showed Balmain?
Balmain? Hindi Balmain eh. May papunta eh. Ano doon? Ang doon ba?
It's like,
Wala ba doon? Ano? Saan yung tigil ng kasi? Ah, check lang. Ano? Bakit yan sa ano? Ay, naku, mag-ano pa yan?
what's the legal limit? 25?
Dati yan.
25 pagka ano.
Hindi yan, sinapo yan.
Mas snapper ba?
Sinapo yan.
They cut it so they don't see him keep it.
Sinukat mo. Hindi ako lumaban. Dapat lumaban ako. Ako ko sa rin. Nakaipit. Jack. Ay, nakaipit na pala.
Give me this.
Hindi yung harbor bridge eh.
Kaya, dapat na yan. Ano yun eh?
Ang tapon.
Nothing yet.
Bakit yan mag-fising?
Hush please.
Kaya nagpilit pa rin. Ito na. Ano natin pa? 8. Green. Juice. Bakit ko sa asan ito PC? Hindi na rin. Yellow tail ang ginamit ko. 8. Puro ito kayo. Lumaban nga kayo. Wala na itong barako pa. Bakit yan pala ko doon? Nagtataktan. Mali ka. Tinapon. Ano tinapon ka? Okay. Walang baban, hindi ka pa lumaban.
Hindi naman na.
Wala ako.
Why you say anything? I have no cards. Look at all this. It's all in between.
Sa akin king niya eh. Dalawang kanyang ano, wala siya.
It's like,
Wala siya may baba.
Isa lang.
it's like in between.
Siya. 10 na siya agad.
Plus 1.
Plus 1, 11. Ako?
10. How much?
11. Ako 6 na ako.
Saan?
Told you about me.
Saan yun? Thanks, Steve.
Oo nga, Balmain niya. Yun ang harbor bridge eh.
Saan yan? Doon sa ano yan? Doon sa ating pinapipisingan? Sa Lunos? Balmain yun eh.
Oo, ito yung ano, yung...
Yan yung Lunos eh.
Victoria Road.
Ayun yung Lunos.
Ang Victoria Road dito eh, yung Dramoy.
Ayun yung Lunos. Opposite doon.
Oo.
O yun yung Lunos doon sa napipising. May ano doon dito. Opposite niya. Saan yan? Ayun yung Lunos. Ayun o. Lunos.
Let's stop the live. Hey, pause.
Bye. Ito na lang. Ito naman siya. Ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Just wait, because